So I needed a case for my base. So I thought I could weave one. You know, weaving has evolved through the ages to fit the practical needs of the day. And so I thought, with years of weaving traditional forms, I can now find new and contemporary uses for this versatile art form. So really, weaving just distills down to a few key techniques. And once you've mastered these, you can really make anything at all. And in this case, I took the shape of the base to form a base-shaped basket. It's finished like a basket and has the rigidity of a plywood base to protect it. With a bit of 3-rod wheeling and a track border, I was able to finish it, and then the fun bit is seeing if it fits. I made a lid slightly bigger, gave it a bit of paint, and there you go, a case for my base. If you want to learn more about weaving and want to give it a go, check out my online weaving classes of 6 easy projects which show you the basics. That's biggreenweaving.com. Just click the link below.